Welcome to Nature Kids episode 20. Today we have a 20th episode, kind of like a milestone for us. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to list every single animal that's been in every single Nature Kids. It's like
a lot of animals.
1 through 19. Yeah, we have
I'll put it this way, some videos had no animals.
Yeah.
Except this guy. He's kind of an animal. I mean, he's wild.
Okay. Starting with number 1. Obviously we've got the dog for number 1. Nico. Cute. Amazing. Probably the best animal to in Nature Kids.
First, number 1. The dog. Nico.
My personal opinion. It's my favorite dog. Number 2 is the entrapped animal, which was a little soft-shelled turtle.
The turtle in there?
Remember? What was that? Nature Kids 2, 3, and 4 had no animals in it.
Yeah. Probably a bird. There's probably a bird in the background somewhere.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Number 5 had the garter snake, which was probably the little theme of the episode was a garter snake.
Yeah.
Excellent.
It's going into Josiah! It was Josiah!
And then the frog was the very famous frog.
Yeah. The frog that we promised. I was telling the frog, like, Frog, you're famous. You're on Nature Kids. You're gonna get millions of views eventually. Yeah, that didn't work.
Maybe someday.
We'll have to just keep putting enough videos so it has 1 million views, and I'm like, okay, promise, fulfilled.
Frog, you're famous. You're on Nature Kids. Yes.
So we gotta put it in short. That's what we gotta do.
There are 2 fish
Well, most of the fish were dying, so we let them go.
in the episode also. So yeah. Number 6 was it just showed a bunch of caterpillars that were slaughtered.
You're killing an innocent one. It's
So that
Yeah.
was fun.
That was fun.
Number 7 were night crawlers, like or earthworms basically, and some slugs.
pretty fun.
Which yeah. 8 was there was the map turtle, which was named K-Bob, according to comments.
He's like he's an wait. Take the rocks away from the bass.
Yes, sir.
That's which was my little sister told me she would be named, so that's what it is. Speed Demon the bass.
Come over here. I need to get this cage. Oh my gosh, you didn't even tell me you had that. Sorry. Stop messing with it, guys. Yeah.
There was a bunny/rabbit. Was it a bunny or a rabbit? Could you really tell? And then there was a bald eagle,
Yes, sir. I love the bald
geese,
eagle.
and robins.
Got it. Hello, birds.
Geese. They're probably in the background somewhere. No, they're not. Nothing in the background. So boring.
Yeah. And then 10. No, we're on 9. 9. There were tadpoles, chipmunks. No, it was a dead chipmunk.
What? A dead rat.
Which did it count? I don't really know.
Kind of counts. Dead chipmunk.
Yeah.
Totally counts for sure.
There were mussels, which were on the boat, so they're probably dead, but. And then there was a chunky tadpole, so.
Alive? It's huge. Oh, dear. Oh. Whoa, that's humongous.
Oh, in Nature's 9?
Yeah.
Yeah, the big tadpole.
I got my phone reading off the kids again.
Yeah.
Number 10, there were no animals. Number 11, the dead chipmunk made a surprise cameo appearance.
More disgusting than ever now. Ew.
Bluegill.
Yeah, there was also a few bluegill.
This is what they're doing, catching fish.
Awesome.
Yeah, Nature Kids, hashtag ice fishing.
But, yeah. Number 12 was a recap, so it's basically just probably every single animal that was already listed.
Yep. Not all of them, just most of them.
Yeah. 13, there were a lot. There were a robin, crayfish. There was a crayfish. A lot of geese, some white ducks, a mallard duck, which by the way, comment down below the name of the duck. It was a mallard duck.
Yeah, we In the video we say comment below the name. I don't think we got any comments except Samuel, but he's one of us, so he doesn't count. Comment the name of the ducks on screen right now.
Comment below the name of that the mallard, the male one with the green head. And I just said it already.
What?
It's a mallard duck already, so that happened.
No, but name the duck.
Oh, I already called it a mallard.
That's a type of duck. I mean, like a name for it, like
Oh!
like Nico is the dog's name.
I never got that. I never got that. It's stupid.
Will got it right. Yeah, he's nodding. You can't see. Yep.
Okay, so there was also a bumblebee. More birds and stuff, and there was a ladybug. 14, there was a bluegill.
And for fun, we are not going to get them killed. And if they get killed, see, there's a fish. Right there.
A turtle and a turtle.
What you got? I think he sees the pond over there. Back. That is a nice color. Now show it this one. Should we let him go? Got another turtle here, a little soft shell. His name's Potato Chip.
Yeah.
Potato Chip here. We caught him. My dad found him next to the green boat over there.
And 16 was just a whole bunch of bluegill. There was American. This one was the one in Las Vegas. So there was American bison. There were a whole lot of aquarium fish like lionfish and pufferfish and like a shark. But since they weren't really found in nature, we just put them under one aquarium fish. There was a pigeon. A couple of those actually. There was a chipmunk. Some donkeys and a raven. Oh wow, I got 2 of them in the one clip. Wow.
Yeah.
Then this one, number 18, was the November update. There was a ladybug. There was a lot of bugs. There was one spot. Nico appeared again.
Number 1, I'm a dog.
And then there's Willow.
There were mussels. And then there was a dead raccoon.
There is a raccoon right
Don't
there.
make too much noise.
Take the camera. Check it. Don't come closer than this wall.
Should I kick it over?
No! Mushroom, it's nature.
Oh yeah.
And then Nature Kids 19 was all geese.
That's insane.
Imagine if I just pooped on us right now.
That's it.
Right now, Nature Kids 20. There was a bird over there. There's a Nature Kids 20. Yeah, there's a bird in the.
The turtles that Caleb filmed earlier.
Those are in the next video.
Those are the next video.
Oh.
I'll be right back.
You just spoiled Nature Kids 21. Speaking of that, subscribe.
And we're gonna switch to
Wow.
Did you stop it?
Hmm?
There's gonna be a lot more like shorts about Nature Kids. So we're gonna make videos like this, like November update and stuff like that. But we're also gonna make videos like a lot of shorts about like just like MC Ram stuff. Like for instance, the bass that was caught. Like concerning Nature Kids.
Yes.
There was like we posted like a short like about the gar snake again, stuff like that. That's gonna come out soon.
Yeah.
So subscribe.